Hi, everyone. I hope you had a chance to already go ahead and do page 20, numbers 11 to 14. You tried it on your own, and now you're watching this video to check out how you did. Remember, it's better to try and get it wrong than not to try at all. We learn from our mistakes, so don't worry if something isn't correct. You will learn from it. Okay, so let's look at number 11. We want to make sure that we're reading these questions carefully, taking our time. It's not a lot of reading. It's just a short amount of reading, but we want to make sure we look at it and get the details so we can get the problem correct. How many pet bowls were sold in June and July altogether? About. When you see this about, that means you are estimating. You're estimating. So June, there's pet bowls. Here's 91. So 91 is rounded to 90. And here's July, and July is 57. So it is rounded to 60. And now I add those up. I make sure I get my columns lined up. This looks like it's a little bit off, but there's only 2 digits, so I think I can do it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 150. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clear it. Would you estimate there were more pet bowls sold in June or in July and August combined? We have estimate again. So I know, remember that June from the last problem was 90. I'm still on pet bowls. So June was 90. And July and August, I have to do those combined. So I know July, I remember, was 60 from the last problem. August is 76. Oops. That doesn't matter because it's going to be rounded to 80. So if I put those together, I don't even have to add it. I already know that July and August, this is going to be way more than 90. So I would say, well, I am going to actually, 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So I would say July and August because they are 140. So you want to go ahead and try to explain yourself a little bit when it says the word explain. So July and August are definitely more than June. Okay, just because you see these word problems doesn't mean that you need to say, hey, do we have to do these? These are the ones that are most important to do. Dan estimated the lowest monthly sales of both pet bowls and bags of pet food to be about 30 or 300. What month had the lowest sales? So now we're looking at pet bowls and bags of pet food. So I have to look up here at which one is going to be the lowest for both of these. Okay, well, this one would be, if I look here, I can see this one is 400. This one would be rounded to 400. And this one would be rounded to 200. So now I'm going to look. So if I add 91, that's 491 for June. July is 457. And August is 276. So I have to look at the question again. what month had the lowest sales? Okay, so looking at this, I see that August had the lowest sales of 200, and if I round 76, that would be 80. So August had the least amount of sales at 280. I rounded all numbers and found the sum. So I rounded all the numbers and I found the sum. So I wanted to make sure I explain what I'm doing. Okay, write each number sentence in the box below to show the best estimate of the sum. Well, I'm going to let you go ahead and use arrows for this. You might have tried to write the whole thing in there, but let's take a look. I have to add these up, and I like to do it this way. So that is 300 plus 200. So that sum right here is 500. So I'm going to put an arrow there. This next one, 305, 72. 305 goes into 300, 72 is 100, so I know that that's going to go into the 400 category. Okay, go to the next one. 195 and 238. 200, 200. So 200 plus 200 is 400, so that goes over here. Finally, this one. 215 is rounded to 200. 289 is rounded to 300. So that's going to be in the 500 category or table. Okay, so when you do these problems, you want to work them out to prove your answer. We only had, 4 problems to do, so we'll make those the best possible problems that we did. Okay, you can stop and take a break.